Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Heath. We are practicing our math page today. You should have the number matchup page. And as you see, I wrote my name on it already, so I'm ready to go. With our number matchup page, you're going to need some crayons or a pencil. I'm going to do crayons. And if you have a ruler, you can use a ruler to draw lines. We are drawing lines between the number and the groups to match the number with the group. What my recommendation is to do this page to make it somewhat easy is to start by counting the first group and then match it to the number that it matches with. So my first group is these little girls right here. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 little girls. Which number is number 3? Here it is. So I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to match it to the girls and number 3. This is where I'm going to draw my line. I can take my crayon and I push it against the ruler while I'm drawing the line. There we go. Next are turkeys. Let's count the turkeys. 1, 2. Which one is number 2? There it is at the bottom. So that's a nice long line we're going to have to draw. I'm going to put my ruler by the turkeys and the number 2. I'm going to take my crayon, and remember, you're pushing it against that ruler to draw that line. There we go, 2 turkeys. Next is the corn. That's pretty easy to count. 1. Which one is number 1? There it is. Let's draw our line from the corn to number 1. I like to put my ruler right on the corn and right on the number 1, and then I draw my line. There we go. Ooh, look at all these leaves. That's going to be something to count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 leaves. Which one is number 7? There it is. So we're going to draw leaves to number 7. I'm going to put my ruler this way and draw my line. There we go. Next one. Here's some little Indian girls. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one's number 5? There it is, right here. So that's not a very long line. The little Indian girls to number 5. Let's do some red. Draw that line. And, ooh, look at this. It looks like pumpkin pie here. Let's count the pie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is number 4? It's at the top. That's going to be a nice long line to draw. Let's match the pie to number 4 here. I'm going to use green and draw my line. There we go. Last one is acorns. Count the acorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's number 6? It should be the only one that doesn't have a line. There it is right there. Let's match it up. I'll use purple for this one and draw the line. Yay, we're done. Now we're going to flip over the page because we have another side today. And it says, the first part, there's 2 parts here. The first part says, write the numbers that match the words below. Now this might be something that you can't read these numbers, so that's why I'm glad you're watching this video with me. I can tell you what the number says, and we can write the number together. This first one starts with an F, and it's 4. 4. I'm going to use my blue crayon to write my numbers. 4 goes down, across, and straight down with a line, number 4. This one is 1. 1. That's just a straight line down. This one starts with an S, and it's 7. 7. Across and a slant down. This one starts with an S again, and it's 6. 6. I draw a 6 like this. I curve it around, keep curving to make that little circle at the bottom. Number 3 is next. Number 3 is a bump and a bump. Number 3. Awesome. Now at the bottom here, we're looking at pumpkins. I'm going to read the directions. Count the pumpkins with the number 7. Color them. So we need to find the number 7 is what we're looking for. Number 7. So let's color them first, and then we'll count them. And I'm going to use my red. I should have had an orange because it's pumpkins, but we'll do red pumpkins. I see number 7. And if you don't know what number 7 is, it's right here. We wrote it up here in the middle, number 7. It's straight across with a slant. So here's a 7. And you can just scribble color. That's not 7. That's not 7. Oh, look at this. There's a 7 for a nose. Color that pumpkin. That's not a 7. There's a 7. Color it in. That's not 7. That's 1, 3. There's a 7. This one makes me think of that ugly pumpkin that looked like a squash. He's cute. How about this one? That's 2. There's a 7. Did we do them all? I don't see any other 7s we didn't color. Okay, now it wants us to count them. And that's what this question is at the bottom. How many pumpkins have the number 7? How many? So let's count how many we colored. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pumpkins have number 7. So I'm going to write a 5 down here. Down, around, and give it a hat. That's how I do my number 5. Awesome, guys. We finished our math page for the day. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for doing this with me. Bye-bye.